Hi, my name's Lois Fluke. I am a member of the Sherwood Valley Band of Pomo. I work for the Sherwood Valley Food Program, and my job here is Nutrition Education Coordinator. And what that means is that I teach people how to use our commodities in a healthy way. So today I'm going to do a demonstration on catfish. Really nice. Break it all up and make sure it's good. And we're going to shake this out, make it flat. I'm going to take the catfish. It's been washed. It's been patted dry. So what we're going to do is put it in here in the spices. We're going to pat it down and shake it off a little bit. And we're going to repeat that with all pieces. And you see how pretty and coated it is? That's going to be our seasoning and our flavors, and they're absolutely wonderful. Some of my credentials are I have a certificate from the community college in Ukiah. I have a raw food certificate from Living Light Culinary Arts in Fort Bragg. I have a certificate in holistic foods from Bowman College. And I have an online cooking certificate from Forks Over Knives. And I use all of this to bring us a healthier choice in making, better choices in our food cooking and selections. My program doesn't allow me to use salt, so we have no salt, and we're going to enhance our foods more with seasonings, which I absolutely love. Lemon is a great food enhancer, and all of these spices make a great taco. Now you can either bake this like this and put some cooking spray on it, or you can saute it, but for this video I'm going to go ahead and fry it up in a little bit of oil. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be doing the fajita, and the fajita mix is going to be the onion and the bell pepper. So we got that done, and we're going to add some oil to this pan, about 1 tablespoon. And we got our pan all nice and warm. We're going to get our onion in there, and we're going to mix it up a little bit. Now we're going to add our bell pepper, and we're going to mix that up a little bit, and we're going to let that cook. And while that's cooking, we're going to cook our fish. We're going to put that in there. We're going to put all of them in there. Look how pretty and look how hot that oil is. You want to see that oil. You see how that's cooking around that fish? That's how you're going to want it, nice and hot. You don't want to steam it. You want to fry it. There you go. Now it's time to flip the catfish. You want to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side to make sure they're done. Look at that nice crust. That's got a lot of flavor. Isn't that beautiful? It's kind of like a blackened salmon or blackened fish. So we're going to leave it for another couple minutes. We don't want to play with it. We want to leave it totally alone so it doesn't break apart. When you cook onions low and slow, they release a lot of sugar, and they're really a nice natural flavor. So we're going to do an avocado creme to top our tacos with. And we're going to finish blending this until it's blended really nice. Look how nice that looks. It looks absolutely perfect. That's the way it is. So I think you're going to really like this with the fish. I put a paper towel down so it'll absorb some of that oil that's in there, so we'll have less to worry about. It'll get rid of a couple extra calories. And that is what our fish looks like. And we're going to cut these into strips. Ready to go. What I'm going to do, because we're going to make tacos and we're using the flour tortillas that we have at USDA, I'm going to cut this into strips, just like that. We got our tortilla. We got the whole wheat tortillas that we serve here. And I'm kind of a hands person when it comes to tortillas. We're going to get a nice little brown and warm it up and give it a little cooking so we'll lose some of that flour taste. Here you have a whole grain, which slows down the digestion. It's better for your, the fiber in it's good for you, the digestion is better for you, and it doesn't go straight to sugar like a white flour would. The white flour's been stripped of everything. The only thing that's left is the carbohydrates. And that, we all know, goes straight to the bloodstream. Okay, and once we got this cooked up, we're going to go ahead and take this out. So I'm going to layer this out and make our taco. We're going to put some cabbage out there. If you want to use another green, feel free to use another green. You know, we have lettuce, we have spinach, so if you want to mix them all, that's good. Then we're going to go ahead and take our fajita mix, and we're going to stir this around a little bit. Okay, we got this going on. We got a lot of caramelization, which adds a nice flavor and a lot of sweetness with the onion. So we're going to go ahead and put some of that right here on our tortilla, just like that. Then we're going to take a couple pieces of our fish, and we're going to layer that on top of that. And we're going to put some of our creme fraiche right there on top. The avocado, good healthy fat. This whole thing is a really healthy meal. A lot of vegetables in this. Good healthy protein, a good healthy grain. So we're going to go ahead and fold that over. I'm going to go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. I think it's going to be absolutely wonderful. It's really, really good. Thank you for sharing my kitchen with me. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.